Okay, so we're on Jalan Raya Kuta, and we're going to go over here and check out Jogger. Now this is probably the most famous oli like souvenir shop that all the Indonesians come. It's sort of a famous thing, and they've got a lot of T-shirts and things with Indonesian slogans and things on them. And everyone that comes from other islands and Indonesians, they always come to Jogger. It's their favourite oli shop. So we're going to go over and check it out and see what's going on in there. Now right across the road from Jogger is Serimpi, Bali. You know, this is another oli shop. It's just all souvenirs. Like locals, Indonesians don't go bargaining around Kuta and the markets. They just come to places like this where it's set price, you know. And this is a pretty big one, Serimpi. It's basically got everything from sarongs, T-shirts, all the Bali souvenirs that you'd need. So it's a pretty big shop actually. It's sort of from the front it doesn't look real big, but you know, there is absolutely zillions of clothes in here. Just check it out. The whole place is just clothes, you know. And looks like upstairs they've got a lot of art and stuff. All the Balinese kabayas, the Balinese dress, all like dusters, different styles of dresses, beachwear. It's basically everything in here you can think of. So there's a lot of these places around where a lot of the Western tourists don't know about. They know if they pass by it and have a look in here, but yeah, they're not on the map so much, and they're pretty good shops. This one's a very good shop. So anyway, check it out, Serimpi, and we're going to head across the road to Jogger and check out another one. It's a fairly big store. I'm going to get Yuli out of here, or she'll start buying everything. Look, this is all bags and hats and wood carvings over there. It's basically everything you see in any other oli shop, souvenir shop. Okay, let's head across the road and see what's going on there. Okay, so this is Jogger. Now we're lucky because after the big floods, not so busy. Otherwise, there's bus loads and that come in here all the time. So we'll go in and check it out. Hello. All right, so this is Jogger. It's another oli style shop. Okay, so what have they got in here? Just basically all the same stuff in all the oli shops, but it's set price, you know, so you don't have to bargain and really worry about hassling people and bargaining for everything. I'm going to check out this nice little fish pond here. Check out the size of them fish. Wow. There's literally hundreds of them in there. Wow, there's a lot of fish in there. The black ones and the white ones, yeah. Okay. So they've extended this in the last 5 years or something to make it way bigger. And I think this might be a little restaurant. Okay. All right, so this is a restaurant, coffee shop. Wow, it's really nice in here, isn't it? Got all your foods and drinks and snacks, and you can order meals and that in here. But we'll go out the back and check that out. Looks like there's got upstairs here. So this is more snacks and food stuff. And we've got upstairs, all right. Right, so last time I was in here, which was years ago, it just didn't have any of this out the back here, so they've extended it a lot bigger. I suppose it's a photo spot where people get their photos. Hey, bro. So what have we got in here? Wood carvings, baskets. We'll do a quick lap around the shop and show you what they've got. A lot of thongs and hats. I need a good hat too. So Jogger's a very famous brand, and like I said, all the Indonesians that come here always want to come to Jogger and buy some stuff. It's all dresses. Oh, they've even got like woolen jumpers. Woolen jumpers. Wow, it's a lot bigger than what it was. Now this looks interesting out here. This is all the batik stuff, I think. I suppose this is all the different types of. These are like hand woven by the look of it. Hand woven. All hand woven material. Yeah, how good is that? So there's a lot of stuff in here. It's made specially for Jogger. and you won't find in other shops. Wow, this is all brass. Look, the whole thing, it's hollow, but it's brass. It's pretty big. Must be all kids stuff. Yeah, this is all kids section, all the kiddies clothes. Here's a lot of sunglasses, hair clips, watches, all the stuff. This must be the cashiers at the back. Jogger, Gillette. Gillette means ugly, Jogger, Gillette. They got their own brand of watches and stuff, all right. Some jewellery. Yeah, and that's basically it. It's another really good ollie shop. You should check it out if you're coming to Bali. You got the one across the road, you got this one, and we'll head up now to Kerangang, another great big one. And sort of this is why the Indonesians like it. They've got all little funny slogans and stuff written on the T-shirts and stuff, and it's their own. No one else does it like this. Most of them are funny little slogans and things, you know. So that sort of makes it their own special thing. That sort of made it a little bit famous in the beginning. Yeah. Okay. See out these doors. Look at this. Pojok Mahal Sekali means like in here it's really, really expensive. At least they're honest. So there's a lot more woven material and batik stuff. This is probably the more high quality, expensive stuff because it's written on the door, Mahal Sekali. Okay. Right, so that's basically about it. Quick look around the shop. We'll head off to the next one. All right, so here's another, and this is a big one. It's called the Kerangang. You can see the whole building is like a big basket. Now, in Indonesian, Kerangang means a basket. So that's why the building's shaped like a basket. Now this is just another big, massive ollie shop, souvenir shop. It's all set price, and I'll go in and check it out. So these are, so far, 3 good options I'm giving you to come in and have a look around. And where you don't have to bargain, there's no dramas, it's all set price. So go in, check it out. So underneath here out the back, there's all tables and that. And there's a little coffee shop here before you go in. So we're just going to grab something to drink first, and then we'll go in and check it out. Also in a little aircon room with charging stations and stuff in there. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people just come and hang out here. So anyway, we'll sit down, have a quick drink and go in and check out Kerangang. So they give you a little number when you come in here, put on your shirt. So most of these ollie shops are basically all the same sort of products. Alright, so apparently this is owned by a few Indonesian musicians, so hopefully this is the Kerangang song that they sing. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Yeah, we'll just have a quick look around, see what's in here. It's very spread out actually, and looks like there's a bit of a restaurant type thing over here. It's very spread out compared to Krishna, and which is just basically, I think, the best one in Bali. I've done a video on that, I'll leave it in the end screen. But, oh, there's more food over here. There's a little food court. Alright, so this all looks like a lot of food stuff. A lot of it, snacks and food, some sarongs over there. Alright, we'll head up to the next level. Alright, so this is a big bakery. They make like banana cakes and things like that. So there's little testers there, banana cake testers. So, alright, we're going to head upstairs and have a look what's up there. So they sell a lot of suitcases, a lot of art too around. Bags, just all the typical souvenir type stuff that you buy anywhere. Now we're just going to have a quick look at this. I'm not doing a thorough run through of this shop. That's why I'm just doing 3 or 4 different little shops showing you options that you can if you want to shopping without the drama of bargaining. Right, looks like this whole floor is just clothes. Maybe a lot of women's clothes on this section. Clothes in here, then souvenirs and stuff. I'm not quite sure if there's anything else, if there is another level or not. 3rd floor, kiddies experience, Lawak coffee. So this is apparently 2nd floor, beachwear, T-shirts, batik, craft and accessories. Alright, so this is all the kiddies area, I suppose. Alright, It's a big area. Looks like there might be more food and that up there. It's just a kiddies area for play area. All right, and that's all there is. So basically that's the whole shop. So my personal thoughts of Kerangang, everything's spread out and there's not really that much in here. And it's a little bit more high priced than other places I've noticed. So for me, yeah, it's probably worth a look. There might be something you can pick up in here, but no, it's definitely not my type of shop. So anyway, we're going to head across the road to another one. So all of these shops are on Jalan Raya Kuta, and there's another one across the road we notice. It's called Bandung Collections. So while we're here, right across the road, we may as well slip over and have a look at it. Across the road from Kerangang, it's called Bandung Collections. It's like a big department store, sort of like a Mamadahari type thing. A lot of clothes and different things in it. Let's go in and check this one out. It looks like the whole thing on the front is all shoes. Maybe it's a big shoe shop. I don't know. Wow, looks like the whole place is just a shoe shop. Don't know what's going on here. Well, if you want shoes, I suppose this is the place to come. Is the whole store a shoe shop? It must be. Anyway, I thought it was more like a department store. So just every type of sandal and thongs and whatever you can think of are here, and that's about it. Well, look at it. Oh yeah, got a few hats, some suitcases, bags. And then there's a lot of like healthcare products by the look of it, shampoos and stuff like that. Okay. A podic, there's a chemist in here, so there's really not much in here. Unless you're after like a wallet, some shoes or some sunglasses. Okay, so there's another floor and this is more clothes. I suppose all the shoes are downstairs and all the clothes are upstairs. So it's not really a department store, it's just basic stuff like shirts, jeans and shoes. The whole shop is fairly big. There's a huge selection of jeans. And yeah, that's about it. There's all pants, jeans. Looks like there's some more hats. And that's about it, just a big clothes store. These hoodies are pretty good value actually. They're all like pretty cheap, $130, $13. Not bad quality either. Big pocket on the front, zips on them. Rain jackets, $10. Yeah. So there's a deal in here if you want to look around, I suppose, yeah. Okay, so that's about it. We've done them 4 little ollie shops and souvenir shops and that on Jalan Raya Kuta. There's actually a lot of good warungs and food on this street. Little warungs like this all the way along everywhere, so it's worth coming and have a look, you know, down here, and maybe some of the shops that for you. My pick would be the first one, and Jogger would probably be the best 2 out of them all that we showed today, but yeah. Okay, that's about it. You know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next one.